What's up, guys? It is Jordan from Awesome Motoring here, and I am so excited right now. I couldn't wait to start filming, so I'm here telling you guys about this right now. Right now, I'm gonna go check out a garage, and this garage is perfect. There isn't anything better I can find than this garage. So I just came out from church, and right now I'm driving to this place right now. It's, for a little bit of background, it's in the middle of a farm, well, as far as I know, and it's huge, and we're not going to outgrow it for a while. We just need a space where we can continue working on our projects and get new stuff, because right now we have no space for that. So we need a home base, and that's what I'm working towards right now. Also, it just started hailing, so like, yeah, that's not good. It's a good thing I got winter tires put on, but hopefully it doesn't start snowing, because I'm gonna have a real problem with that. I guess this is pretty fitting, because day one of Vlogmas, I guess, even though we don't really do vlogs. Yeah, so Vlogmas day one, we're hailing. Alright guys, so things took a turn. Yeah, look at that. So I'm currently in the snow, driving a decent away from my house, with snow tires on, of course, but I wasn't expecting this. I'll show you guys what's going on. So yeah, yeah, there's nothing else for me to say. I'm not far from the place, but I wasn't expecting this at all. I haven't had any problems starting, stopping, driving, anything like that. So this car has a lot of torque, and these tires are very grippy. And I have it in slow mo just in case, but yeah, I was not expecting this. So press on, I guess. Alright guys, we are nearly here. As far as I know, oh goodness, I just passed it. Alright, gotta turn around. So lucky me forgot to record because I was so excited. Basically what happened is, so this garage it's on a farm setting, and I'll just give you guys a gist of it. He said make as much noise as you want. This guy he's a Porsche guy. He's from New Zealand or whatever. I'm not putting out all his business out there, but this dude is okay with anything. So it looks like we have a garage. As soon as we're ready, as soon as it's ready, I'll show it to you guys. We'll have a lot more videos coming from there, I can tell you that from now. So get ready, because this is gonna be ridiculous.
The next day,
I'm back. I chose not to end off that whole video yesterday because honestly there wasn't enough. But it's still snowing, and it got worse. So I'm practically the only Mustang on the road. As I can see from here, there's a Toyota Tundra in front of me and a arsenal of like plow trucks up there. So naturally I'm gonna go take pictures. So I think it's the perfect time to go get some nice pictures. I don't know where yet, but I figure I'd just pull out the camera and start recording. So alright, so I chose a little lot here that's still snow covered. I don't see anyone here. I was thinking like do some donuts or something. guys, so now that I'm done with now that I'm done with all that shenanigans, I am now driving up to the garage once again, and I'm leaving the deposit, so I can officially say finally have a garage. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be put to good use. Purely because it's snowing. If you didn't hear me say that before, or you didn't watch until now. For any of the new viewers, Smoss Motoring, and we just got a garage. Alright guys, so I'm running out of gas, so I gotta pull into here. Oh, thank God you don't have to pump your own gas in this state. Oh, a lot of you guys don't know about this. Yeah, New Jersey is the only state in the United States of America that doesn't let you pump your gas. It's actually illegal to do it. And I didn't know this. But yeah, it's like prohibited by law that you can't touch the pump. I do it anyways, but yeah, it can't stop me once I start filling it up. Oh, I didn't know. I guess they know now, but yeah. So I don't have to come outside, and my car is going up. So, yep, it's got the, yep, it's filling up. Yeah, we're almost to the garage. We're about 15 minutes away. So, can't wait to meet up with the guy and give him the money and stuff. There's something in my head there. Interesting. Yeah, give him the money and finally get this thing done. Because this weather, this ain't it. This ain't it. Alright, this right here, this is beautiful. The amount of white that you see just in the trees and the snow everywhere, it's like, this looks amazing. I wish I could take out my camera and start taking pictures, but I don't trust getting it wet at all. So, yeah, it looks beautiful though. Like, that's insane. Definitely don't see that in like California or Texas. Well, I don't know. I don't know if you guys have snow down there. Up there. Over there. Yeah. I just got here again. This is the place, once again. Well, it's the back of it. But, yeah, I'll show you guys exactly what the area is right after I go take care of this. Alright guys, just finished up with the garage owner, and this is so exciting. So I just I gave him the deposit, went through everything. It's a nice guy. So it's him and his son. But yeah, this is the garage. I'll show you guys the inside once we get it all ready, but for now, it's by far one of the nicest looking units here. You know, pretty happy with it. It's pretty big, and I know my car will fit in well. If you guys see behind me, this is all the land that we have access to. So it's gonna be some nice videos coming out. But yeah, it's incredible how it looks. And I'll show you guys the inside right now. This is the inside of the garage. Very, very spacious. Definitely gonna fit 2-3 cars easily, and it's pretty high. Alright guys, so that's all the land. This place is huge. So this is definitely going to be a fun journey. This is all out. This is crazy. Got the mountains in the back. Yeah, so a great space to take pictures. You know, maybe have like a meet or something up here. You never know. So I'm gonna head back, but This has been Jordan of Monster Motor. I'll see you guys later.